Hi and welcome. Today, we're tackling a great topic for WordPress users who want to boost their marketing game: how to install Omnisend with WordPress. If you're running an online store using WordPress and WooCommerce, integrating Omnisend can significantly enhance your marketing efforts. Let's go through the process step by step. Integrating Omnisend with WordPress is a fantastic way to automate your marketing directly from your WordPress dashboard. The process is straightforward, and I'll guide you through each step. Step 1. First, ensure you have WooCommerce installed on your WordPress site, since Omnisend will need to sync with your WooCommerce data to function correctly. Step 2. Log in to your Omnisend account. If you don't have one, you'll need to sign up and create a new account. Once you're logged in, head over to the dashboard and locate the Integrations section. Step 3. In the Integrations menu, look for the WordPress option. You'll see a Connect button next to it. Click this button. This will take you to a page where you will enter the URL of your WordPress site where WooCommerce is installed. Step 4. After entering your site's URL, click Connect again. You will be redirected to your WordPress admin area. Here, Omnisend will ask for permission to access your WooCommerce data. This includes customer info, order details, and product data, all crucial for creating targeted marketing campaigns. Step 5. Once you authorize the connection, Omnisend will start syncing with your WooCommerce store. This process might take a few minutes, depending on the amount of data you have. Step 6. After the sync is complete, you're all set. Omnisend is now integrated with your WordPress site, and you can begin setting up your marketing automations. From creating email campaigns to managing SMS notifications, you can handle it all from within Omnisend. And there you have it. You've successfully integrated Omnisend with your WordPress site using WooCommerce. You're now ready to leverage powerful marketing tools to engage your customers more effectively. If you're ready to try integrating Omnisend with your WordPress site, check out the link in the description for more details and a special offer. If this video helped you, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more tutorials. Have any questions or need help with the setup? Leave a comment below. I'm here to help. Thanks for watching.